entranced by the sound of wind dancing through the ancient hills, and by the sounds of rushing water faithfully cascading down towards the valley. In this place, high above the noise, it's as if the soul begins to breathe again. There's order in the wild, a beauty that doesn't need maintaining. Up here, creation speaks, not with words, but with perspective. Perspective